Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing something way different than my usual clean with me videos. I'm going to be talking all about whitening your teeth at home today. I did partner up with Smile Brilliant for today's video. They did send me this kit to share with you guys, but you guys know that I would not share a product unless I truly love it. There have been multiple occasions where I get sent a product and I just don't love it, and I have to tell them that I don't want to share it with my following because I am very transparent and honest with you guys, and if I really don't love something, I'm not gonna go tell you to buy it. But I absolutely love this whitening product, and I will get more into why I love it so much. But for now, I'm just really excited to share it with you guys. So just a little background story on my teeth personally. I have terrible teeth. I am somebody who genetically got some really bad teeth from my mom. Thanks, Mom. But I am somebody who's prone to cavities and all that good stuff. I have very yellow teeth naturally, which is totally fine. Like, that's a very normal thing to have. But in our day and age and culture, having pearly white teeth is everything. And I just have not found a product that's given me that super white smile that I've been wanting until I discovered Smile Brilliant. I am also an avid coffee drinker. I love coffee. I drink it every day, multiple times a day. I do love a glass of red wine every now and then, and chocolate, all that good stuff. I put all of that junk on my teeth. And of course, after a while, it makes your teeth yellow and not so pretty. So finding the right whitening product has been very difficult for me. I feel like I've tried so many different options out there. I've tried multiple different whitening toothpaste. I've tried Crest whitening strips. I've tried like another brand too, but I can't remember the name. I've tried High Smile and it kind of whitened my teeth, but like not that great. And I spent my own like $100 some on that kit, and so I was a little disappointed when it didn't work. And I've tried Ghost Smile, I think was one of them, and just none of them really made my teeth like pearly white like I really wanted them to be. So when Smile Brilliant reached out to me, I was really curious to see if this brand would actually work with my teeth. And the reason why I was so curious is because they do custom fit trays, which I think is amazing because I feel like that is key to having truly white teeth. So now getting into what Smile Brilliant is all about. Like I had mentioned, they do custom fit trays. So they'll send you all of the materials that you need to make these trays, and they'll send you a prepaid envelope as well to send them back to the lab. So regardless if your teeth are straight or crooked like mine, they will fit to your teeth and make sure all of that whitening product is getting into all of the nooks and crannies. Smile Brilliant also uses a 22% carbamide peroxide formula, which is a professional strength of whitening gel, and this can make your teeth sensitive. That is very normal. And what's great about this product is they do send you a desensitizing gel. And I will say, for me personally, I have very sensitive teeth, like to the point on my electronic toothbrush I have to use the like soft mode because the normal mode just makes my teeth hurt too bad. And even the soft mode is still a little abrasive. And I will say this whitening gel has not made my teeth sensitive at all, but it is okay if your teeth are sensitive towards this product. It's just part of the whitening process, which is why they include this desensitizing gel. So using Smile Brilliant is super easy. You'll get this pretty blue box in the mail, and it will include everything that you need. I will open it so you guys can see. So when you open the box, you will see the paste that you need to make the trays, and then these are the trays that you'll put the molds in, and I will show you guys how to use this and everything. And then it includes your desensitizing gel and your whitening gel. So to make your trays, this is super easy. All you do is you take one of the catalyst paste and one of the base paste, a blue and a white. You mix them together. You should do this for no more than a minute. You just kind of knead them together until all of the white disappears, and then you will line them on one of the blue trays. And the key to this is to do one tray at a time. You don't want to put the upper and the lower in at the same time and bite down. It messes up the molds and it's just not what you want to do. So what I did is I made one paste and put it in the tray. I did my top teeth first, and then you wait 2 minutes and you use your fingers to test the hardness of the putty, and if it feels hard to you, then you just go ahead and pull them out. It does say if you have any removable dental work to take it out beforehand, but if you have things like fillings, crowns, all of that stuff, it will not take it out. I have fillings and crowns in my mouth and it did not pull them out at all. Once you are done with that, you'll just rinse it under cold water and then move on to the bottom tray or the top, whichever one you did first. Once you're all done with that, they have this card where, you probably can't see it from the light. They have this card where you fill out all of your information, your name, your address, phone number, email, all of that good stuff. And you stick this and your impressions in a envelope they give you that's already prepaid and ready to go, and you just stick it in your mailbox and it is off to the lab. Once this Smile Brilliant lab receives your trays, it takes about 3 to 5 days for them to make your trays and send them back in the mail. Once you get your trays back in the mail, you will get a little envelope with something like this. It looks like a retainer tray, and they do look a lot like retainers. You will see they're very flexible, which I really like that because I had retainers growing up and they were just like that hard plastic, and I did not really like those. I like that these are flexible. I feel like they have more give to them when it comes to whitening. So the whitening process is super easy. All you do is take one of the orange packagings that you see here, and one of these is 3 to 4 applications for the whitening. So you use like 1/4 for each tray. So basically all you do is line each tray with a little bit of gel, and then I'm weird and I like to dry my teeth. I don't know why, but I feel like this makes the whitening process even better. I feel like it's gonna make the gel stick to my teeth better and whiten better. I know I just said better like 20 times. Stick the trays in your mouth and you can go about your time. They do say to whiten anywhere from 1 hour to 3 hours. I typically only do an hour just because I feel like I don't really have the time to do 3 hours, but that is also because I whiten my teeth at night before bed. It's just a personal preference when it comes to when you want to whiten. For me, bedtime is more convenient. It's when my kids are in bed. I will just typically watch a show while I'm whitening my teeth, since most shows are about an hour, then I'm good to go. Or some nights I will clean the kitchen while I have my trays in, or pick up the house, do some laundry, keep myself busy. And when I'm doing that, I actually end up whitening for more like 2 hours because I'm keeping myself busy and I forget how much time passes by. But when you're starting out, you should stick to the lower end of the time limit just to make sure your teeth aren't severely sensitive to the product, and that way you can test out the sensitivity as well. And that's really it, you guys. When you're done whitening, you just rinse out your trays and put them back in the little container they give you, and you only need to whiten for a couple of days before you see results. I saw results after the first use. Like, my teeth looked so much whiter after the first use, and then I used this consistently for about a week, and my teeth are so white. And you don't have to use all of the syringes that come in the box, like the whitening syringes. They say you can take one of them and stick them in the fridge for up to a year. They'll stay good. And now that we've reached the end of the video, I do have a really exciting announcement. Smile Brilliant and I have teamed up to bring you guys a $149 value giveaway. This is enough for one of their T3 sensitive kit. I will have the giveaway link down below. You guys just fill out the little survey and you are entered into the giveaway to win one of their T3 sensitive system kits. I will also have a coupon code for 15% off your order. I will leave that in the description box below. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I know it is so different from what I usually do, but I really wanted to share this product with you guys because I genuinely love it, and I think it really does a great job of whitening teeth. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one.